Hi guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for Chatbot Natural Language Processing. To use ChatGPT for Chatbot Natural Language Processing, you can follow these steps. First is setup and authentication. Set up a Python environment and install the required packages. Obtain an API key from OpenAI's GPT-3 API by signing up on their website. Store the API key, security, and ensure it is accessible in your code. Second is initialize the chatbot. Create a function or class to handle the chatbot's communication with the ChatGPT model. Use your preferred API client library to connect to the API using your API key. Initialize the chatbot with any necessary context or configuration settings. Third is receive user output. Receive user output, whether through a chat interface, a web form, or any other means. Prepare the user input for sending it to the ChatGPT model. Format the user input as a prompt or message to be sent to the model. Fourth is generate a response. Send the user input to the ChatGPT model using the API client library. Receive the response from the model, typically in the form of an API response object. Extract the generated response from the API response object. Last is present the response. Process the generated response as needed, such as post-processing or formatting. Present the response to the user through your chosen output channel. Repeat steps 3 to 5 to continue the conversation, allowing the user to provide further input and generate responses. Remember to handle errors and edge cases appropriately and consider adding additional steps for enhancing the chatbot's functionality and user experience, such as context management, input validation, or post-processing techniques to improve the quality of responses. Please take note that while this simplified process provides an overview, the implementation details can vary depending on the specific API client library or the framework you use to choose your interacting with ChatGPT. So that's it. That's how to use ChatGPT for Chatbot Natural Language Processing. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!